How to fix this payment has been declined in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the error that says the payment has been declined on Roblox. So this error can happen for a few reasons. First of all, you need to check your card information and make sure that your billing address and every personal details that you have entered on Roblox are exactly the same as what's on your credit or the debit card. You can also try double checking the card number, your expiration date, your CVV code that you will find in the back of your card, and the card holder name too. Make sure that the spellings are correct and everything. And sometimes banks block transactions as they don't recognize as fraud. So call your bank and tell them that you're trying to make a Robux purchase so that they can authorize it. And if one card does not work, you can try using another card as well. You can use different credit or debit card. And if you've tried all of the steps and you're still getting the error, you can contact the Roblox customer support for the help. For that, you need to go to roblox.com and instead of home, simply type in support, hit enter, and this will take you to the contact us or contact information page. Fill in all the details correctly and then click on continue. And Roblox will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and resolve your problem. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.